Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Golf GTD, high spec one, very price range, great value for money because of the mileage, but it drives fantastic and looks nothing like the mileage. It's got cruise control, front park distance control, got Parktronic, upgraded alloy wheels, finishing beautiful grey, it's really popping. Rear park distance control, twin exhausts. As you can see, some really fantastic condition. Boot area is all lovely, got the rear parcel shelf, got the usual Golf GTD trim, checkered trim, electric windows, electric mirrors, it's in lovely condition. Auto headlights. It's on 117,207 miles. Starts up absolutely fantastically. There you go. Got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, flat bottom steering wheel, GTD leather, 6-speed gearbox, 3-stage heated seats, satellite navigation, Parktronic. It's got Bluetooth phone connectivity, full menu there for apps, media pack, DAB, different driving styles and modes. So like I say, it's in lovely condition for its age and mileage. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.